Capture's chart recorder has the capability to control multiple RAD7s to run tests at the same time, averaging the data to display it in a single chart. You can do this by creating a RAD7 group. First, make sure at least 2 RAD7s are connected to your computer. See the icons here, each labeled with their serial number. Click the chart recorder icon. To run a group test, make sure all the RAD7s are set to run the same protocol under Setup Protocol, and they should all have the same date and time under the clock setting here. In addition, you may need to clear the RAD7's current test run by clicking Test and then Clear. Now click Options and choose Add RAD7 Group. See the connected RAD7s listed where you have the option to exclude them, then click OK to create the group. A new icon is added to the top bar of Capture, labeled with the group name. Previous test data from the RAD7s starts loading into the chart. Change the view range to exclude viewing this data. Now click Start RAD7 Test to start all your RAD7s at the same time. As the RAD7s run, the chart recorder looks the same as a single RAD7 chart, but the difference is that the results are more accurate because they show an average coming from multiple RAD7s.